That's awfully close to the edge. That's awfully close to the edge. Why do you have it so close to the edge? Can't it fall out?
What are you talking about?
Your part. It's right there very close to the edge.
It's alright. Going nowhere.
Thank you for putting the trash can back. Today was our garbage day.
Garbage day.
Garbage.
That's the owner
Thursday's
operator
trash day.
supposed to survive on air. Freight rates go down. Broker fees go up. Shippers make more money. Groceries go up. Cost of living goes up. But the owner operator is supposed to take less money to haul freight. Not only is supposed to, but does. Thousands upon thousands of trucking companies are going out of business every week. Because really right now all you can make is about 99 cents a mile. That's all said and done. You're supposed to be able to take care of your trucking company and your maintenance, your tires, your brakes, your insurance, your fuel. Oh, and if you have a family, you're supposed to take care of them too.
As an
I
afterthought.
called you several times, but then I realized you were on your vacation. Oh, he didn't even know I called.
He didn't even realize you had called. So he doesn't. He's one of those people that doesn't look at their phone then.
I guess unless it's money. Well, this looks like money. Better answer.
Yeah.
No, he ain't there. The doors is closed. Somebody's there. That's his son's truck, I think. Let's see who that is. Door's not open. He's not here.
Oh, what a disappointment.
They must have went to lunch. Is that the number you called? 4973?
Yeah, it is.
Must have took whoever that is in the pickup truck to lunch. And the delays continue. I guess I can try knocking those out with a hammer.
Imagine if you lived here, right next door to the shop.
Imagine that's who started this, where they originally lived.
Is Jimmy home?
No, his vehicle isn't there. 2 vehicles are missing.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to wait it out to see if he's going to come back to the shop? Or are you going to try to do something?
I'll see what I can do about knocking those out. Figure out how to do it on my own.
Without a press?
Yep.
There's our church, by the way. We're in walking distance
It's
of
by
our
the
church.
way. Is that by the way?
By the oh, it is by the way. And there's the parsonage. There's our pastor's house.
That's by the way as well.
Well, so even without a press, you're going to try to press it out without a press? That was like halfway on the tailgate.
When you know how to drive, you don't have to worry about things like that. By the way.
By the way. Well, do you at least want to come in for some watermelon and take a watermelon break?
Figure out something to hold that up. It's got to have something, a cylinder where I can hold it up and knock that bearings out. So I don't have to use this anymore. Maybe this is big enough.
So that's not something you need then for a part?
No, they give me a new one. Nope, that's not big enough. Not quite. Close though. Something about like that fan right there, but I can't use that. I'll bust the teeth. I need something big and round. Saying here I am, use me, I will work. I probably could use those forklifts, use those forks and set it up on the forks and knock it out that way. I could probably do that. Well, I could probably do that. Let me see. Aren't big enough, but if I take these forks and put it up between these forks, I should be able to knock them out. That's one option. One option. These have got to come out this way. So, see what happens. Now I need something, take this with me and find something that size to drive it out. No, too fat. Close though. Bug. Budgie. Too much give on that rubber. Too much give. Too much give. Terminites. Down there. spacer. And what's that? So we got 2 spacers. One on the outside, one on the inside. Okay. So, get one of these dudes back in there. Uh-oh. Now what? What am I going to do now? That's not good. It's okay to beat out a bearing in the center, but you don't want to beat out the bearing in the center when you're putting it in. So, it's okay to beat one coming out, but you don't want to beat one going in. Going in, you only want to touch the outside. If you touch the inside, you can damage the bearing. Don't want to damage the bearing. The whole purpose for doing this is have good bearings, not damage them. Tried so hard I missed. Up against it. It is. They both roll freely. They do. And voila!
So you got it in successfully?
Yeah, I pressed it in.
Without a press?
I was the press.
You were the press.
I am the press. Today is, what is today?
August 17th.
Today is August 17th from Cerulean, Kentucky, ladies and gentlemen. I am the press. And today the news is we got the Horton fan bearings pressed in.
Well, praise the Lord. By manual labor. Well, praise the Lord.
Well, how come I ain't going on there? You want to help me here? Hey. Need you to go back on, because that's where you go. Could always put grease on it. Hey, let's put grease on it.
But you've got the main job done. You got it in.
That one. That's one job.